In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly copy text from ChatGPT and cleanly paste it into your document, email, or editor. This is a simple process, but it can save you a lot of time and frustration, especially if pasted text brings over strange formatting, odd spacing, or unwanted colors. The goal is to keep the content you want while making sure it looks polished and professional wherever you place it. Start by copying the text from ChatGPT. Take a moment to make sure you've selected everything you actually need, especially if the response is long. It's helpful to double check before moving on so you don't miss a sentence or accidentally copy extra content you don't want. Next, paste that text into your document, email, or editor. In many cases, this will work perfectly fine right away. But depending on where you're pasting, you may notice that the formatting doesn't match the style of your destination. For example, the font may look different, the spacing may seem uneven, or the background may carry over in a way that feels distracting. If the formatting looks wrong, use paste without formatting. This is often the quickest way to strip away unwanted styling and keep only the plain text itself. It's especially useful when moving content into professional documents, web editors, or email drafts where consistency matters. After pasting, check for any extra background color, unusual spacing, or other styling that doesn't belong. Sometimes copied text keeps hidden formatting even when it looks mostly fine at first glance. Cleaning this up early will make the rest of the editing process much easier. If the text still looks messy, use clear formatting. This can remove leftover style issues that plain pasting didn't fully solve. It's a helpful reset option when the text has picked up multiple formatting layers and doesn't match the rest of your content. Once everything is clean, reapply your own headings, bullets, and spacing. This gives you full control over how the final content looks and helps maintain a consistent layout. It also makes the text easier to read, especially if you're preparing something for a team, a client, or a submission. Finally, review the finished text before sending or submitting it. Look over the structure, spacing, and overall appearance to make sure everything is clear and professional. A quick final check can catch small issues that are easy to miss during editing. And that's it. With this method, you can take text from ChatGPT and make sure it fits neatly and cleanly into whatever you're working on.